Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the 12-piece 8mm to 19mm matrix flexible ratcheting head wrench. It's a combination spinner tool set, and I come with a case. So I got this out of eBay for $37.84 plus tax. So the total is $41.15, and it comes with free shipping. So the price has been increased to $41.83 now, because when I was watching this item, it was $38.99. So the seller gave me like a discount. So the size 8mm, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then 19. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this. Wow, this one has a nice hard plastic case. Pretty good. I got some of the one with like a soft vinyl case or something, and this one has a lock. Oops. So I guess through the shipping gets all messed up here. It's supposed to sit in like that. So this one is the 13mm, and it allows you to flex 180 degree. So you just need to flip it to go either way. So it's a pretty nice set. Let me arrange it correctly. It's 14. So yeah, it's kind of weird. Right here it's like a R number: 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And then the top is the even. This one doesn't stay. Doesn't clip right. So yeah, this is a pretty useful tool. This is the must-have for mechanics or DIYers. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.